Hello and welcome again to another tutorial on embedding objects into Canvas. In this tutorial we're going to cover how to embed a whole Google Slides presentation. Although Google Slides is not the best presentation software out there, it is very handy that you can use it on any computer and any web browser, and it makes it really easy to share it on the internet. That's why I'm going to be encouraging you to use Google Slides when you're uploading things to discussion forums and other locations because of the ease of adding this. So to start with, we're going to go to our presentation. As you can see, our presentation we have up here has lots of slides with content including videos and other elements. And just like any presentation, if you were to play it, you can go through it and view all the content. To embed our slideshow into Canvas, it takes a couple of quick and easy steps. The first thing we want to do is ensure that we're at least fairly confident that we have our slideshow the way we want it. Remember that you can always go back and change the slideshow without changing the link you created in Canvas, but you don't want to post anything prematurely. So what we're going to do is go up to the File menu here and scroll down to Publish to the Web. Once you have clicked on that, a window will open and it will ask you if you would like a link or you'd like to embed it. If you were going to email this presentation to somebody, you would probably click on the Link tab and then copy the link down here, which would give you a simple way of just emailing a link that someone could click on. But here in Canvas, we'd like to give people quicker access. So what we're going to do is click on Embed. Here, it gives us the option to choose how large we'd like the slides to be when you initially load the page. And we have 3 default sizes. You really will probably never need to do a custom size because medium is a fairly good size for viewing on most laptops and devices. If you know you're going to be reading it on a phone or a tablet, you might choose small. You always have the option of making the slideshow full screen, which is a great feature to allow your viewers to see all of your content. You can also choose to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, which means it will start automatically advancing through the slideshow. I don't generally like to use this option, so I'm going to leave it unchecked. Once you've completed these steps, you will see that down here there is a large amount of text in this box. And this is what we need to take into Canvas. So we're going to click into this box, and as the little pop-up there indicates, we're going to hit Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on our PC. And we're going to copy that. Now I've already published this slideshow, which means the publish button is already blued out. But if you had never ever published this before, you'll have the option of clicking publish. And clicking the publish button will allow you to get to this code that we need in order to embed this into our Canvas post. So again, we have File, Publish to the Web, Embed, we'll choose a size, we'll publish, and then we will click on the text and Control-C or Command-C, and we'll be ready to go. Now once we've made it back into Canvas, we're going to go to the discussion or assignment in which we want to embed this in. And as before, we're going to go down to the open box here so we can reply to the post. It will bring up another text box. Because we are inserting code, we're going to click on the HTML editor button, and then we will click into the open field, and we will Command-V on the Mac or Control-V on the PC to copy in the text that we copied from Google. Once we're happy with that, we can either post the reply, which will give your slideshow with no additional text, or we can go back to the rich content editor And again, we can click into the box and hit our arrow key over and a return, and then we can type extra text to introduce our slideshow. And when we hit post, there's our slideshow with controls to play. We can also skip forward and choose which slide we want, and go full screen and back. This way, anyone who reads your post will know exactly what's going on, and they will not have to click on any extra windows or boxes. Thanks very much, and I hope you found this helpful.